Next on the agenda is this. This is just a door latch. So this goes in from the outside. Looks like I have a little bit of cutting to do, a little excavation. I don't have a template or instructions. I'm going to have to wing it. I don't like winging it. Want it at a comfortable height for the inside and about halfway. Because of this, I'll show you the old lock setup. This is the old lock setup. Want that to interfere, so it's going to go right there. This is hollow aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. Probably have to put some structure behind it. There's my template. I just cut a little proud of that, a little more than that, and a little less on the width. I'm going to take this piece of trim off. Always be safe. Always hold the base right up to your subject. I think I'm going to put another pilot hole here. Let's see if I can avoid doing all the other. So I have a hollow gap here, so I'm going to have to put some wood filler around this because I just want it to be sturdier. It's 1 and I'd say 3/8. So I have a wood member here. And I have a wood member here. It's 11 inches to the wood member. Inch and 5/8, 12 and 5/8. So I need to cut a hole through it to accept the lock set, and that's how I'm going to do this. So 12 and 5/8. Does not have to be perfect. That's a good thing. Called 5/8. Hurry and do this. I'm just going to sandwich a piece of this wafer board in there. Much more better. Should fit in there. This chipboard is really obnoxious stuff. Sandwich this one in. I can't tell you how handy these tools are. Called Power Grab Loctite. It's all-purpose interior construction adhesive. I don't have any exterior, and I'm going to use this up anyway. I'm going to let this dry overnight. Tomorrow we'll cut this hole. This goes on the outside. And it'll slip in. I'll have to, use the jigsaw. Cut it tomorrow and let it dry. Well, the goal was to make this solid enough to drill out. I think we've done it. Need to excavate enough material saw just has a multi-purpose blade on it. Really only need to take out this much. This goes in there like that. I only need to excavate this side. I don't need to excavate this side. You see? Let's see if that finally made it flush. Boy, that was a lot of work. I won't need to mortise that in because that's just not enough. This gap over here, I think we'll see. I don't think that's going to hit. It's not like rocket science, you know. You and your tripod have the prime real estate. That's the problem with doing these how to fix it videos. Tripod's always in the way. I guess that looks okay. Now, we move our attention to this side, and the light's getting dim. You know, the trim's off over here, so when I put that trim back on, I'm gonna have to take this off, mark it, and figure out the trim. I don't know any good tricks for that. See this big piece of trim. Go here. I'm hearing thunder. I was wanting to get this done today. That is right where I want it. I want the trim to match up, so I'll measure that like that. I think it needs to go right there. Black & Decker. Well, did you keep an eye and see if it burnt? I don't smell anything burning. I smell burnt stuff, but I don't smell anything burning right now. So maybe we can get a video edited. Maybe. Big gap. See that big gap down there? I guess the trim will take that up. Let's hope. I don't have time to put the trim on now. Looks like the door may have fallen a hair. You see the gap here on this side bigger than this side. And this doesn't look square. Doesn't have any play to it. Deadbolt works. Looks like it's working all right. Okay, well, the next one. What are we going to do on the next one? I don't know. Windows. It's going to rain for a couple days, so I'm going to edit a couple videos, and then we're going to cut a window in. And I still haven't decided where I'm going to put my bed. I know the shower is going right up there where that cot is. Shower's going right there where I can stand. It's the tallest part in the middle. I was actually thinking about getting one of those skylights for there, but there's a metal post right there. But if I could put a skylight here, they're not very expensive. They're like 30 bucks. You just cut a hole and glue them in, glue them and screw them, you know. Just like a ceiling fan. And so, but the shower's going here, so the bed will most likely go in the back here. The whole idea about this camper is to make it convertible back into a cargo trailer very easily. So if I wanted to carry a motorcycle with me while I go camping, I can do that, or a four-wheeler, I can do that. You know, and I don't really much care about aesthetics because it's just a camper. I'm not, you know, it's not anything I'm gonna enter into a beauty contest. You know, I don't really care. It's just a camper, and you know, I probably camp 2 or 3 months out of the year, and I don't need much. You know, I live outside, so you know, it'd be nice to have someplace warm and comfortable to go when it rains. You know, someplace to keep a refrigerator, cooking, usually do that outside, you know, but someplace private to, you know, change clothes and bathe and do, you know, essentials. So it's not going to be you know, extravagant, but it can do things that other campers can't do. Like haul a motorcycle or a four-wheeler. It'll be able to generate electricity from solar panels. Okay, so on the next one we'll cut in windows, but that'll be in a couple days. That'll be next week's video. Okay. Thanks for watching. I took a spark in the eye right there when I was, you saw it, when I was cutting the lock in. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.